Don't try memorizing. There is nothing to memorize in this boring game. It's a monotonous game as it is. So don't make things worse for yourself by trying to memorize. Memorizing is not going to help. You want to know that you have trained yourself to be able to see any number of colored counters. It doesn't matter whether there are 1,000 of them, 500, 20, 30. You want to be able to see them clearly on your mental plate, as with you do when your eyes are open. So please do not waste your time trying to memorize patterns. See patterns by all means. Observe patterns, note patterns, but do not waste your energy or time trying to memorize. This is not a memorizing exercise. It's a looking exercise and a visualizing exercise. And if you turn it into what it's not, you'll only make things worse for yourself.